How about one for the Camaro fans? It's a 2002 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, 51,078 on the odometer at the moment. That tried and true 5.7 liter LS1 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heat blows hot. So we take a look at the front fascia, front nose of the car. Navy blue metallic with the neutral interior, neutral top. Check out all the still pictures. You're going to see this car from every angle. Top up, top down, undersides, interior, engine bay. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on a 5-spoke C5 wheel, radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see the red with taupe pinstripe, highlighting that neutral interior. Sets it off pretty well. Bucket seats, of course, center console with a shifter. Aftermarket stereo, I believe it was a Pioneer. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. I'll also show you the top functioning, going up and down. This does have an SLP exhaust system on it, as well as intake. So nice, throaty exhaust note on this one. And once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Camaros, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Got a couple little touch-up spots by the gas door. And by the way, if you're wondering why that radio is on, if you happen to notice that, it's because I checked the miles right before I did the video. If I open the door, it's going to go off. I turned the key on just reaching in there to check the miles to make sure I had those accurate. All right, let's look down the rest of the way. On the driver's side, you can see really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. These cars have become a good bang for the buck, you might say, with that LS1 underneath the hood. Get into them without breaking the bank. You got a nice convertible, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Take a closer look at this interior. Of course, power windows, power mirrors, power locks. Door panel looks good. Power seat over here on the driver's side. Seating surfaces, decent shape. Power top to them. Like I said earlier, I will show you how that functions. And we'll check out the condition of it in just a bit. There, you can hear that. Good exhaust note, 51078, there it is. All the gauges working. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Top of the dash looks good. Whoop, take that back, hang on. There is a crack right in front of the driver's steering wheel, and it will come with a dash cover, kind of a suede black dash cover. I'll show you that too. Yeah, this thing sounds healthy. Ooh. I set the suede dash cover over here so we can see that dash, and you'll be able to check that out in the still pictures too. Speaking of still pictures, of course the engine bay will be there. Let's take a look at it. So like I said, you can take your time looking through any of these parts of the car on our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. There it is, that LS1 SLP cold air intake. Mentioned that earlier. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. I think we should get the tripod set up, See how this top works, check out the condition of that. If you stick around to the very end, Jason's going to take it for a drive too, so stick around. And convertible top up and latched. That was a tight one. Nice fit above the windshield though, and they snug down like that. Side glass up. Fits nicely, and like I said, kind of neutral top matching that interior. Fabric or cloth top, not vinyl. Nice condition. Rear glass, electric defog. No rips, tears, holes. Doesn't hardly look like it's been used. That is a nice shape. All right. Let me get that tripod set up with the camera on it again, and we'll show you the top functioning. And going back down, then like I said, Jason's going to take it for a drive. 2002 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 convertible, clean Carfax. Low mile car, nicely equipped. And again, a lot of bang for the buck. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2002 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a convertible. We do have the top up today. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Effortless acceleration. Sounds like maybe an aftermarket exhaust. It sounds good. This is an automatic right here on the center console, which makes it easy for anybody to drive. Push button power top. We've got steering wheel controls. Now, there is an aftermarket stereo, so it is likely that these are not going to work. Very nice road manners. Nice firm handling from this Camaro. Our temperature gauge is a quarter of the way up. The oil pressure showing 55 psi. The battery's charging over 14 volts, and the fuel gauge shows me that we're 3/4 of a tank full. This car showing less than 55,000 miles on it currently. Nice low mile car. Comfortable bucket seats, of course, in this Camaro. Corners well. Corners nice and flat, the way a sports car should. Nice two-tone gray. Not a gray, kind of more of a beige and black interior. And a blue exterior looking good. Cruise control functions as it should. The blower motor also working. Check out all the pictures of this 2002 Chevrolet Camaro at uniqueclassiccars.com.